Okay, bismillah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So guys, in this video I'd like to make some demo video. It's about my UI design. So I'll show you my UI design in here. So you can see this is my UI. So what is UI? UI is a user interface that usually we can meet in the some website or the application, but I make it application in here. So I'll just give the example. It's like Figma. As you can see in here, there is the icon like move tools, and then there's the frame, there is the rectangle, and there's the pen tool and others, but we can only see it because this is still the UI. Okay, and then if you want to touch it like this, nah, we must make it the UI, the UX. So the first I'll explain about I mean like showing my UI first. So in here there's the loading screen that you can see later in the UX, and then next there's the home page. There is the bar of the battery in here. There's the bar of the battery, and then there is the profile, photo profile, and then there's my name, Bayo Renata Sihaan, and then there is my bio, and then there is the praying time, and then there's the time, and then there's the date, and then there's the place you've been, and then next there's the praying, the doa, and then there's the Al-Quran, there's the praying, and then there's the kajian, and then there is again and then there is again sirah, and then there is fasting, and then there is amal, and then there is the charity. Okay, next there's the search bar in here, yeah, for searching something, and then there is the dakwah and motivation, and then there's the poster of the dakwah or the motivation, and then there's the Al-Quran, and then there is the Al-Quran logo icon, and then there is the masjid icon, and then there's the home icon, and then there is the settings icon, and then there is the profile icon. This next there's the profile page. That's if we click this, we will go to here. So in the profile, as you can see in here, there is the explanation about this is the profile page, and then there's my photo profile, and then there's my name, Bayo Renata Sihaan, and then there's the my stats, my status, it's santri, and then my date that I born is 11, and then December, and then 2011, and then there's my hobby is design. And next there is the don't forget there's the same thing icon in here like the home page. Okay, next there is the settings page. So there's my photo profile, and then there's the view. The view is dark, and then there's the font is big, and then there is the language is Indonesian language, and then there's the color dim is the color dim is purple. So next still there is icon like this, every page having the under icon, and then next don't forget this is for the go back. Okay, next there is the praying page. There is the thumbnail from UFit. That's we can see it about how to praying, and then there is others in here. I can show you, yeah, this one, and then this one, yeah, and others lah. Okay, next there's the praying time, and then the praying time. There's the praying time, and then there's the arah kiblat, and then there's the azan time, and then there's the icon. Yeah, only that from the praying page. And then next there is Al-Quran page. There's the surah of Al-Quran. The first there is An-Nas, there is Al-Falaq, there's Al-Ikhlas, there's Al-Lahab, there's An-Nasr, and then there is Al-Kafirun. And then there is the icon in here. And then this, the inside of the Al-Quran page, there's the An-Nas. So you can see in here there is An-Nas, and then there is the surah. The first there's the Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and then you could see in here there is the ayah or the first Qul a'udzu birabbin nas, and then there is the translate in here, but the translate is bahasa. And then next there is Al-Falaq, the same thing like An-Nas but different surah. And then next there is Al-Ikhlas, same thing like Al-Falaq and An-Nas but different surah. Okay, next. And then this, don't forget this for going back to the here, to here. And then next there is kajian. There is the thumbnail of the Ustadz kajian. The first there is Ustadz Muhammad Syafi'i, and then the next there is Kiai Haji Ma'ruf Islamuddin, and then there is the Ustadz Siddiq Al-Jawi. And then if we click this letter, we will going to here, and then there is the thumbnail, and then there's the Ustadz name, and then there is the explanation about the kajian. So this all about the short of the inside of the kajian. This the same thing from like this, and then this one is same like this one, yeah, same thing lah. And then next there's the sirah. The first there is Prophet Adam, there is Prophet Idris, and then Prophet Nuh, and then Prophet Hud, and then Prophet Saleh, and then Prophet Ibrahim, and then Prophet Lut, and then Prophet Ismail. And then the minimum from my teacher, I only make it 3. So there is the first sirah about Prophet Adam, and then there is the sirah in here, the story. You could read it. And then next there is the Prophet Idris, there's the story in here. And then next there is the Prophet Nuh, there's the story in here, same thing. Next there is fasting. In the fasting, I explain about the main point about fasting. And then next there is the meaning about fasting, and then there's the type about fasting, and then there is the manners about fasting, and then there's the niat about fasting. And from my teacher said I just make it 3, so I just make it the 3 explanation about the main point about fasting. There's the explanation in here, there's the meaning about fasting also, there's the explanation in here, and then there is the type of fasting, there is the meaning in here. And then this for going back, and then there's the normally icon, as I said before, every page there is that icon. And then next there is amal icon. So there is amal icon. Wait a minute, it's lagging. Is little bit lagging. So there is the amal page. About amal, there is the amal daily amal, and then there is the amal praying, and then there's the amal sosial. So in the next there is the amal daily, that we should do it every day. And then there is the example for the amal daily. And then next there is praying amal. And then next, wait a minute, there is the social amal, yeah. And then next there is charity to panti asuhan, and then charity to panti jompo, and then charity to natural disaster. And then there's the anak yatim also. The first the charity for panti asuhan, and then you could see in here there is the nominal of the money, or do you want to pay. And then there's the method for paying the charity. Next, there's the panti jompo, same thing like panti asuhan. And then there is a natural disaster also, same thing like panti asuhan and panti jompo. And then next, there is the praying. Make it 4, praying after azan, praying before sleep, praying when we wake up from our sleep, praying before eat, and praying after eat. But my teacher said I'll just make it 3, so I'll do it 3 in here. There is praying after azan, and then wait a minute, there's the praying after azan, and then there's the dua in here, and then there's the translate, and then there is the praying when we wake up from our sleep. There's the dua in there, and then there's the translate, and then the praying before eating. There's the dua, and then there's the translate. Next, there is the azan time, is including from the praying or salat page. So next, there is the arah kiblat, and the last, there is the time for praying. Okay, maybe that's all from my UI. I hope you guys like my design in my UI, and I think that's all from me. I'm sorry if I have mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.